Hello, welcome to the stream, guys. Happy Thursday. One more day with the stream. Welcome in. I'm just starting off with watching the gray sky, sadly, above Ignas today. And we're gathered here again to read Price, to watch Price book what is supposed to book, right? Learn a little bit about algorithmic delivery again. My name is Ignas. I'm coming from Daily Pips. Majority of you guys know already. And I'm gonna be very happy to have you all here with me. So let's dive in straight away. And I'm literally looking at the very fun session right away today because I'm excited. Not only we hoped for Price to get moving and to get going today, we actually got it. So, you know, our wishes are complete. We got movement. We're running away from the boring consolidation that we created yesterday, which is awesome, which is lovely. I'm very happy to see it. Now we're just gonna have to work it out, figure out when we're gonna engage with the price, when we're gonna be looking to be careful with it, and all that good stuff. So hello Tiger, hello Gus, hello Thomas, welcome. Wishing a good trading day for everyone. I wish you too. So a sip of coffee for me, and we're gonna dive straight into this. And do you see what I have, guys? Do you see this? My hands are free. I can move around. I can make noises finally. I can touch things and it won't vibrate the whole setup in front of me. Yes, nice arm. My arm? Like that, huh? Which arm? Oh, yeah, it feels good. And I switched it up a lot, so I have some natural light going on. I have you guys in front of me. I switched up with the monitors and the whole computer setup as well, so it's fun. It's gonna be good. I like that I'm improving the quality for you guys, and I hope that you guys can appreciate the fact that I'm doing it for you as well. BGJ kicking in. Oh my god, now you need a green screen with a tropical background. Or should I just move to Thailand again? Which one is better? I say Thailand. I'd love to go back to Thailand instead of just hanging out here in this grayness. But I think the weather is getting back again to normal next week, isn't it? And Tiger, I can confirm I'm gonna come to the coastline. So I'm literally opening up the calendar right now. I have Palanga on 17th. So Friday 17th, I'm coming to the coastline. So let me know. We can actually meet up. That would be fun, man. Just let me know. But let's dive into this because markets are opening up in 9 minutes. And now what I'm watching is I'm watching a YouTube 2022 model panning out on an hourly chart. Or dollar. We have clean consolidation. We have clean levels in terms of where we want the price to be delivering after this break of structure. I don't like it too much because it makes our job dangerous with trading indices today. But to put it very simple, we have swing high, we have a swing low. So we have not only that, but we have a few breaker blocks with a high, low, higher highs, higher, lower low. Fair value gap on an hourly opening up right here. Break of structure down here. So I think dollar is gonna offer shorts for us right now. Can we work with that? Easy, but yeah, for sure, man. Just let me know when you get there. I will. I'm gonna let you know in Discord with nice pictures with me and my dog running around the coastline. So I sure will. That's certain, man. That is certain. I'm just checking in. Discord is good. How's the audio though? Because we played around a lot with audio actually. I hope it's improved. I hope it's good. Hope it's not too cranky, and I hope it's not too loud or not too soft. I hope it's up to standard, let's say. But yeah, so we're gonna be looking for possible short on dollar, which means that it might start pushing the price to the upside on foreign currency pairs such as forex, such as indices. It's gonna be interesting to see. Professional. Shut up, man. You're funny, guys. You're funny. We're trying to keep it professional, but you know, I'm happy to say that I have to improve, and I hope you guys appreciate that as well. That improvement is visible. Let's say. I hope it is going in a good direction. And exactly with the same thinking in mind, I'm watching what is happening on the EU, where the price just delivered sell stops. And that kind of went through the yesterday's highs as well. On paper, we're looking at this fair value gap now to hold in the price, and just to continue pushing it higher. Personally, I don't like this. Like, I'm not interested in that, but it is what it is in a way. Too bad, but yeah, not much we can do about it. GU, brilliant. Sell side taken, 1 hour for value gap holding in the price. We're getting a long entry here in 5 minutes. Expected? Personally, not really, but when you consider what we got yesterday, this consolidation from yesterday and pushed it downside, that run away from it so quickly, totally reasonable. Totally. But let's get to what we wanna get going, right? Which is indices. So let me get everything. So you see, I come prepared. I have these charts prepared because I kind of said to myself, okay, forex, I'm not interested. So I didn't even touch them. You saw my markups. They're old. They're nasty. Haven't touched them for a while. Here everything is prepared. I'm prepared for you guys. I'm doing my part. Do yours. You know what you have to do? You have to go and like this video. No, actually, please, I would highly appreciate it if you leave that like under the live stream itself. It means we wonders. I think we got 8 likes on the last one, which is sounds weird, it's me saying that, but we got 8 likes and I've never gotten that, and I'm very happy with that. So thank you. I very much do appreciate that. So if we can get to 10 likes on this one, I'll do something crazy. Okay. Anywho, in Discord, I noted 5218. I'm very much interested in 5218 delivering, which I really think we're gonna get. How soon? How close? Hard to say, but we're just playing around with that volume imbalance on Nasdaq right here. So what I'm seeing right now, not too much. Let's take a look at the dealing range itself. Oi, dealing range, please. Premium, very clear. Buy side to big taken. Do we push lower after we take this out? Possible. It is possible. We push lower when we take this out? Possible. Right? On a weekly, on a monthly power of 3, we're in that manipulation stage. I kind of put a lot of drawings on that on power of 3 study channel in Discord. So if you haven't checked it, please just stop the stream. Don't listen to me. Go into Discord and take a look at what we have going on at the Power of 3 Studies channel. I think it's going to be very important for today to realize that we're still in a how to say, we're still in a 50-50 territory in terms of expectations towards the price and price delivery. But I'm gonna note this 15 minutes. I saw you guys traded today, didn't you? We're gonna have to take a look at that because I think Arnes posted a few positions. I like those setups that I saw. I'm gonna have to go through them. And so what do we have? The last line of defense as a 15-minute fair value gap today held in the price. Which is great. Reasonable. We have structure going on. Push to the downside, push to the upside. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution, right? Was that really that simple? Well, you see it, how easy it is? NQ, consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Where do we go to take out highs? This one? Probably even this one. How good that is. How easy that is to notice. I'm just trying to understand what other charts are doing, but I can't grasp it just yet. Dollar index just kind of trying to push lower from that YouTube 2022 on an hourly. Sell side is right there for dollar as well, so and let's see, what do we have now? Previous day high taken, but we have an SMT 545 taken on NQ, which this is the difficult part about it today. Yes, I love the movement. I love the fact that we're going places. Don't like the fact how are we doing that. You see those discrepancies in price, those places where price doesn't align. I'm not too keen about that. I'm not too happy about that, sadly. Anywho, Bicep taken, SMT created. We have an inversion on 5 minutes on ES. Can you work with that? 3.5 handles. Can you work with that? The question is. Let's watch this. I'm not entering it. And you know that I'm not, because I'm gonna show you my entries when I do. Happy to do it. I'm not touching this. It's too early for me, but kind of trying to understand whether there's gonna be a possibility go in here or not. So far, no chances, but you know. Again, 15. So we have to keep those 15 minutes for value gaps below, right? 5, inversion happening. Inversion on NQ as well. Take a look. Bam, right here. Will that indicate a move lower? If I would believe that, I would press the button now, but I'm not. Markets are just opening up, so we're happy to wait it out. We're happy to let it deliver. Nasdaq is very precise, and ES is struggling compared to Nasdaq. This is cool. This is a good push to the downside. 20 handles already even. I can't touch this. I have an impulse to do something, but I can't. Did anyone trade besides Arnes today, though? I'm interested to know. Because those are good setups. I loved what you guys showed on Discord. I'm opening that up. Where was it? Indices chat? Yeah. Even in Nasdaq, 530 inversion, push to the upside. That's good. I like it. Break of structure, fair value gap above for the take profit. Smashed. Yeah, exactly. Smashed. It killed it. It went just to do. It just went and went and went without stopping. It's brilliant. It's very good. Okay. Nasdaq is showing a lot more weakness which is weird. Nasdaq showed strength with this SMT and now it's kind of saying, okay, I'm not interested in being that strong anymore. Should I have gone short here? You could have. This is a good short. This is an inversion after an SMT. Do we work with them? Yes, every single day. And Gus, I don't know if you're here, but you remember this morning I told you that markets are gonna be quite difficult for a guy who is new in this. Because they're gonna be fast, they're gonna be rapid. And for example, very simply, if you're not used to placing stop loss orders quickly, you can just get killed. Imagine, Gus, you went into a buy and you took longer than 60 seconds to put a stop loss order. Bam, you're dead. Your account is dead even. You know? Because you see how rapid that is. They have direction, they have clearness to it. Because we had an SMT, we have 5-minute inversion. This is an entry model for us. That is dangerous. Even though it delivers to the target and it delivers quickly, it's very nice to participate in those moves. But at the same time, it kind of makes your life a little bit more dangerous than what we had yesterday, Tuesday, when the price was slow, when the price wasn't too erratic. It was easy to participate. It was easy to kind of even make mistakes as well. You know what I mean? Yeah. You see, my charts are clean. I'm not in a short. Okay. So let's see what this 15-minute fair value gap does. Opening range is becoming a little bit cleaner now, a little bit more understandable. Euro, GBP just pushing to the upside, dollar delivering lower. So these two bad boys are very much out of sync. Because according to dollar, both of the markets should be pushing to the upside right now. One is just consolidating, the other one is moving lower, which is like, what? What is happening? We're not interested in that. Nope. Now it goes. Where? Who knows where? You kind of can imagine. I like this. It brings the price into a discount as well. $15 minutes. So this is gonna be cool. This will kind of determine the whole day for me. If that 15-minute fair value gap gets inverted, it makes it a very easy read. We're kind of gonna know that the price is gonna go lower immediately. Well, we need to see that inversion. For that inversion to appear, we still need time. It's gonna still take what? 6 minutes more, 7 minutes more. Yeah, but we're getting a cleaner dealing range. More understandable dealing range now. That 15 minutes fair value gap kind of got held in. Possible inversion here, and this is gonna be my point of interest now. Because we have an SMT. And Q showed a lot more weakness than ES did. So either now ES has to start catching up, or we're gonna start making a turn here. Turn to the upside. Okay? And let's see. We want this session to get going though. Still a lot of time for that. So if you are doing anything, you're doing it with a very minimal risk. You're not interested in taking a full-on risk move. At least not yet. Okay? This push to the downside is good. I really think we're gonna take liquidity resting below here now. It's a good entry for that. From that 5-minute inversion, it's a very good entry. Price has so much to go for. So what I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna get a confirmation on this 15 minutes inversion. And then I'm gonna become interested. Okay? Especially if this stays in place. It's gonna be good enough range for me still. And it's literally gonna be like a risk-free trade without too much effort. Dollar index is getting stuck though. If you have a chance, take a look at dollar index. Euro USD created a higher high, GBP USD failed, dollar index failed to create a lower low. I'm not excited about this just yet. When I'm gonna get excited, you're gonna see and you're gonna hear, right? Story time maybe though. We have still 20 minutes till the session, so sip of water and story time, okay? I'm not sure how loud everything that I do here is now, so I'm like doing everything in slow motion. It's not to make it too noisy for you, but story time. And I'm happy to do it because I have my hands free and ooh la la, this is gonna be good. Let me push the mic here a little bit more. So I went out to buy the what is this? The arm for the microphone itself. Yeah, it was a nice store actually. So I think Gus showed me the store yesterday where to get this. It was quite alright of a price, but the story is not about that. The story kind of is about daily pips and their random acquisitions I get and random people that I meet and random interests that people shows in a way. Because what happened is I went in, I really liked the shop. So the shop itself is a DJ store. Like they have a lot of mixtures and scratching machines and Pioneer, like how to call them. I don't even know the names for it, but the sets where DJs play their music from, right? With a lot of knobs and everything. I like the story. It felt interested to be in there, right? Because I've never seen so many products like that in one place, so close to me in a way. So I was excited. Kind of started chatting with those people in there and so on and so forth. And I asked for a invoice, so I can then book this payment on the company itself, right? And the guy kind of goes, what's the name of the company? And I said, Daily Pips. I didn't even use the word trading. I said Daily Pips. He was straight away, are you a trader? Like, what did you say? Like, how do you know things like that? He was like, Daily Pips, you should be trading. Like, do you do crypto? I was like, no, I don't. I live stream. That's why I'm buying this microphone, which is funny in a way. That I'm trading and I'm live streaming it. And at the same time, he was like, so whoa, that's cool, because I'm trying to get into crypto and everything. So we literally got a subscriber today because I went shopping, which is funny. And I hope that guy, I didn't ask for his name. I hope he's watching. I hope he's in here and he passed by, because it is a funny story in a way for me that I literally found a person that could be interested in what we do here with you guys. In a DJ store where I got the arm for the microphone itself. So, yeah. Story time. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm just looking around with what are the other markets doing. So far, nothing too interesting. I'm watching this inversion now, which is just This is what I said earlier, and I mentioned it in Discord yesterday and today. I think it mentioned like 3 times in the last 24 hours. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Daily, right here, is inverted. Push to the upside from here is very much possible. Hourly though, monthly even, weekly. I want to see prices going lower because I like that Tuesday created the high of the week. So I'm torn apart in that. And I'm torn in terms of making a decision. So what do I really want to see? And this is exactly the reason why I didn't go short here. Because I don't know. I don't know how it makes you sound, how it sounds for you, but I'll literally go into a trade when I know what the market is gonna do. I'm not here to gamble. I'm not here to make guesses. I'm here to literally open trades when I know that they're gonna pan out. This one I didn't know, and I still don't know. Even if we invert here, it's gonna be a risky trade for me. So I'm gonna have to play with an according risk. But yeah. 18.125 was equal loss. Let me check 1 second. 18.125. Yeah, I didn't see that, man. 5 minutes maybe even. Where do you see the equal loss? 18.125. Where's the equality of these laws? Sorry. Three minutes? 2? 1? Yeah, okay, moderation. 18.122. 25. Yeah, these bad boys. Yeah. I see now. I see. No, I didn't see these. I saw these. I didn't, and I've never seen these. Yes, though. Holy. I think you should be in a trade on ES though. It might be too late a little bit, but we just came back. So I literally opened a trade on ES. I'm gonna stop fooling around. I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. So I still like that buy side resting above. 10 handles. 3 handles stop loss. It's cool. It's good enough. I like the SMT, massive SMT, and ES is literally showing how strong it is compared to in Q. 15 minutes fair value gap holding in the price. What I have to consider is that I'm not gonna overdo this. I can't stay too long in this because of the 15 minutes break. Kind of. Alright, we open that for value gap. We easily can punch in even deeper. And that's why I'm saying that I am not sure. I don't know. So I'm taking according risk. I only opened 2 micros. What's the name for these contracts? What am I trading here? Micro Yuimin SMP. I can't go full on contract here. Like I can't risk a full contract. So I'm doing it with micros. Micro? Sounds weird saying it. But yeah, we're gonna play with the micro. Sorry. We're gonna play with the micro. And we're gonna set a partial here. And we're gonna take another partial full on take profit a little bit later. But this is exactly what is happening. It can just continue pushing lower together with Nasdaq. So I have to stay careful with this. I can easily be wrong. So far, so good. What right now I don't want to see is because so if you would consider this as like 5-second chart, there was a lot of buy side liquidity risking above. It just took those buy stops. It can break lower, right? Opening a fair value gap. So we don't want to see that. So everything below this is a stop out for me. Okay? 5206. I'm not gonna be too interested in anything below this. And we have still 10 minutes. So the macro. Now micro is the oh my god. Micro, macro, M&M. Oi, focus. Micro is being open for me because I don't want to go into this trade with full on risk, right? I'm not interested. When I want to go full on risk, I'm gonna go full on risk. Like you're gonna see. Right now, I don't want it, so I'm going in with a micro. Ha! What is happening now is a macro is starting. 10 to 10 macro is starting. Where we want to see the actual impulses appearing. The actual price delivery starting and giving direction and showing its hand and what it wants to do, right? Macro and a micro contract. Oh my god, guys, I feel so silly saying these things. Hope you don't mind. I hope you can laugh at this. Watching Q and 30-second chart, it might give an opening for a 30 seconds YouTube 2022 if there is any swing highs on the left hand side. So watch that. And finally, dollar index is pushing to the upside. We have movement, which is great. We have movement. Finally. Hello, Mr. Ignas. Arnes, shut up. Just Mr. Ignas. In case I missed it and you already spoke about it, so in case you missed it and I already spoke about it, in cases like this, when S&P and NAS gives different chart view, what do? I mean, what is the indication for me? Very good question, man. Indication is that markets are not in sync, meaning that high probability trading is not being delivered for us. There's a very big difference between when when the market delivers price because of an SMT or a very small in correlation in price, then it's totally fine, then it's totally reasonable. But when you see a market literally not moving in tandem, that increases the risk factor itself. So right away, when I see things like this, I put my interest at the lowest point in terms of what I want to see the price delivering. I can't trust the price that much, right? On the other hand, we have to realize why it's happening. Because the market is at a 50-50 condition. Like I put in writing this morning. Let me open it up. I'm gonna quote myself. That's gonna sound important. I have zero expectation in directional delivery for the upcoming next 2 days until we see what the weekly close does. What I mean by this, I want to see a weekly candle closing in either inside these fair value gaps. INQ is the best example. I want it either below 18053.5 or I either want it above. If a weekly, just like daily, that closes above it, then all-time highs are in place. Then we're going higher. Can it still retrace? Today, tomorrow, can it still come back into the range? Yes, it can. And exactly that's the reason kind of why I'm not too keen about price delivery in terms of taking a 50 handle straight or looking for a low of the day to be precisely where I want it to be. No, I'm not expecting that. And with that in mind, that's what we're seeing right now as well, where one of the market just moves and the other consolidates and doesn't give much way. Third note, this is going to be very important. Understand the fact that we get weird price like this during the market opening. It's not 10 a.m. yet. This is exactly why we wait for 10 a.m. to hit. Because usually at 10 a.m., the market normalizes. It gets in sync. It starts moving in tandem and together. Right? It becomes much more understandable and readable, if that can be something you can say about the market. It becomes more flowy in terms of what we work with and what we understand and what we want it to be. Okay? So yeah, it's a very good at the same time a very hard question to answer. Like, it's not a yes and no. But can I try it? I mean, what is the indicator for me? You know, that kind of said. Okay, so like, what do? Yeah. I tend to wait. When you don't know, just wait. Man, you remember last Friday we waited for what? 3 hours? Was it good that we did that 3 hours waiting? It was amazing. So yeah, just wait. If you need advice on what to do with price like we have right now, just wait it out. Dollar is getting to that sell side. Let me show you. Bim bam. Yeah, it's getting close. Euro. Due in consolidation now, so nothing too shabby there. Yeah. We're in the trade though. I'm just realizing it because so I'm learning too, guys, right? Because I have those two monitors now where on one I do executions, on the one I show you around. I just kind of forgot that I'm in the trade before I took a look here. So yes, we're in the trade. So far, price is brilliant. Every single PD array that is breaking the structure to the upside is holding and providing kind of support. Why? Do you know why? So two things. I'm gonna quote a few more things now. First, study channel. What did I say today? New day opening gap is not random. We want it to act as support and resistance for the higher time frame bias and entry concepts. We're looking for duration and entry concepts. So again, new day opening gap. We want it to act as support and resistance for the higher time frame bias and entry concepts. Look what is happening. One new day opening gap, second new day opening gap. Woof. We go in. Woof. We go in. Woof. Support, resistance. Some of you guys come from support and resistance. This is the real support and resistance. And it's precise. You know when I always mention precision in what we do? These are the real support and resistance levels. These are not random levels that elephant can come up with. These are real levels, and you see how price is working around them. Secret released. Put it to your notes. Okay. Sorry about texting, but I'm looking at the numbers a little bit. So I'm just looking at, I'm gonna say it out loud. I'm looking at what kind of profit I'm making right now because I'm trading with quite a few accounts. So we're at 300, 5, 7, 9, 11, 1250, 12, 13, 14, 1500 already. How many candles this is? This is my partial right here. You see it on the chart as well? Sell limit is placed. Half a position will go off there. So what I'm doing, I'm modifying my stop loss overrun because I'm gonna leave a runner. I think we're gonna go to 5218. And imagine how random it is. 5218. I'm opening Discord again today at 2 hours ago almost. I said 5218. Juicy. I love this. I like it. But let's go. We have a trade booked. We took a partial. Now we're gonna see. I'm literally gonna place it at 5218. I really think that is gonna get booked. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't care. We're in a good situation. Ready for the day? And why the fuck did the whole position close on majority of the accounts? Oh my god. No. I have no idea why this happened. every single account closed the whole position for me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, there's no need for me to hold this because it's gonna be a difference of $50, so I'm closing this position. 5218 is the final target though, so keep that in mind, okay? But too bad. So let me just make sure that everything is okay with the accounts. And I'm just gonna flatten them again. I'm gonna connect them again. So I'm sorry about this, guys, but I have to fix the copy trading engine again, which fails third day in a row, which is very, very annoying, but it's fine. I'm gonna have to deal with it. So give me 2 minutes, if you don't mind, of me focusing on something that you have zero interest in. You know, but I really have to fix it because I have trading accounts that kind of don't perform the way I want them to perform, which is very sad. So let me fix them and I'm gonna be all yours again, okay? So logging into the copy trading tool again, connecting to the accounts again. Incorrect password or username. Oh, I see why. Okay. There we go, connected. Let's see if I can connect the accounts and I'm gonna be back with you. Okay, sorry about this, but look for 5218. 5218. Okay. And I'm back. And we have an account which is number 10, which is in a loss, which is weird. Okay. I hope it wasn't me. Target book though, 5218. So this is amazing. What was it? It was 47, 20 minutes of perfection. 20 minutes of perfection just happened. Yeah. So this is cool. What do we do now? We have another SMT. I'm done with playing around though, guys. I'm very sorry, okay? But I really have to focus on the accounts because there's a lot on the line if that copy trading engine fails for me. So I have to constantly be on point on that. So we have to understand that I'm not trading with, let's say, pennies here. I'm trading with millions. And when this stuff fails, a lot of bad things happen. Okay, so I'm literally gonna continue fixing it up while it's talking to you about the price delivery. So what we want to do, we want to wait it out now. We just delivered the target. What we want to see, we want to see a bit of structure going. Okay, we don't want to dive into this right away. We want to see some structure appearing. We want to see what the price is willing to do now. That's why I'm in a 5-minute chart, because I don't want to see any breaks or anything yet. I'm not interested in that. Okay? I'm back. I'm fixed it up. So, Tiger, what makes the price precise? That is a good question. I would answer that in a way is that, so when you expect things to happen, for example, a fair value gap to hold, an order block to hold, or for the price to find a support at volume imbalance or something like that, that makes it precise. So when you get, example is when you get like fair value gap after fair value gap and all of them are holding in the price with precision, that makes price very precise, and then you can build trust on it, you know, and you can see that precision happening in front of you. Because when it's not precise, you can very easily identify it also. Because then every single level it just starts breaking. Every single level starts not delivering what you want to see delivering. Yeah. What makes price not precise? News make price not precise. So yeah, news drivers makes price not precise. Days without news also makes price not precise. So you know, there's some place to practice it in terms of just looking at what you want to see and stuff like that, you know, and then just seeing that, okay, everything that I wanted to happen didn't happen. So yeah, hard question to answer, Tiger. What makes the price precise? Algo does. We believe that the algo delivers the price, so we believe that in precision, because algorithmic trading is a precise technical way of doing this. Yeah. What do you think, Ignas, of 10.04 inversion on the Q? I'm not touching it. Why? Because we're in the middle of the range. Like that, I want to see price digging in a bit deeper now. Where's the liquidity also? So I'm not touching it. No, not for me. And you see what is happening right now, Thomas? I don't see the delivery, so I don't see where the price might actually go. I don't enter, and I'm very happy I didn't enter also, you know. I just wanted to know what you mean when you say the price was precise. Precise price is a price that we can predict. You see how we predicted this move to the 5218? That's the precision part of it. Because sometimes, like days like on Monday, Tuesday, there's zero precision. You know? And we kind of expect that. And when I say zero precision, is that every level, like a fair value gap or volume imbalance, is just not holding in the price. It's just not doing its job. You know? Yeah. Now it's going to be interesting. So let's imagine NQ doesn't exist here. Okay? What do we see? We see sell side resting below and we see buy side being taken. Imagine NQ doesn't exist. What do we want to see now happening on ES? We either want this buy side level to be taken or we want sell side to be taken. When sell side becomes valid after a break of structure, previous day high in buy side being taken, possible inversion, and a possible YouTube 2022 for a short. I like this now. And Tiger, you see how precise this is? There's no thinking, okay, is that gonna invert? Is it gonna do this? Is it? I kind of know what is happening right away. That's what I call precision. Okay? Don't forget to like the stream. Yes, Thomas, don't forget. Don't forget that. Break of structure. So I'm gonna look for a short now. We need an entry though, so yeah. Let's see. We have a lot of liquidity, especially on ES. On NQ, not that much. We're very close to taking sell side, right? But on ES, we have a lot of liquidity, so we just have to find a entry. We need a fair value gap to open up, and then we need to go short from that. And get much simpler than that. Probably not. Probably, I don't know. It could, but so I'm short. Let's open that up. And let's see. If we lose, we lose. It's fine, but I love this setup so far. We're gonna see if we're gonna add something into this position or not, but we might. We have time to play around. The session is actually kind of just starting. We're only 16 minutes into the session and we're working with a good profit, good balance already, which I'm very happy with. So So what makes this trade not valid? I'm just trying to look at the chart. So we have a break of strength, right? We have a fair value we can work with. Literally everything above this is a failure. So we're in a trade from what? We're in a trade from here. Target. Stop loss. Three handles. 325, let's say. I like this, but I think the price might deliver even lower, which is beautiful. Double up bottom, 5200. Nothing is random. Watch 5200 now. That's my only interest, I would say, at least at the moment. Yep. I don't like the fact that NQ is pushing a lot lower than ES is. I'd love them to get in sync finally. This is not a random bounce. 5 minutes, fair value gap is here, so that inversion we already worked with, right? But what we want to see now happening, we want to see this kind of getting inverted ASAP, which is next 4 minutes. If we get that, then the confirmation is sell side right away. Right now, there's still danger. And again, you see that on your monitor, I'm in a very, very small position because of that. I'm not interested in going full on risk because I don't know exactly what the market is going to do. My prediction, yes, 5200. Do I know it for sure? No, I don't. There was a time this week when I knew it for sure, and I went in with a full on contract. That was, I think, Tuesday, late at night, in PM session. And I went in and I got 5 handles with a full position. But I knew that the price is going to deliver there. Right now, I don't know. But the probabilities are high enough in terms of risk to reward, in terms of what our expectations are. We have another SMT, that's the push to the upside, right? See, Tyler, this kind of now goes back into your question where you said, Tiger, not Tyler. And where you said, so what is precise price? Price is precise when I can read it, and you can read it too. What I mean by that is that, here we go, we just had an SMT. Price is pushing to the upside. Very reasonable. And that's the expectation. When you see lower lows and higher highs on 2 markets that should be moving in tandem, then push to the upside right away is very reasonable. Now this is the last line of defense. We're not interested in price delivering any higher. We're still in trade though, because my stop loss is a lot higher than this. But we're not interested in being stopped. How to say in closing above this. We don't want any higher highs now. We want the price to stay in place. And we made 60 bucks on the previous trade, and we're literally risking half of it right now, which I don't mind. And this is not to my liking right away. Knowing that, 522675 should be in your eyesight. And as soon as if we're gonna close above that inversion, I'm just gonna close the position. Twenty more seconds for the close. Take a look at dollar. I didn't mention it for a while, but take a look at dollar. You're gonna understand what is happening here. Dollar is literally dying right now. Rapid move to the downside. I'm not interested in this anymore. Thank you. So, we're gonna try to read this again. We ate a loss somewhere around here. Bam. Bam. Okay. This went way too high for my liking. I really wanted it to stay below these for value gaps and just continue lower like in Q showed us. But I think right now the decision should be just to wait for more structure to be built in. Maybe for yes to take another higher high. Which is possible. Look how this 15 minutes for value gap held in the price. Beautiful. I still don't trust this. Like, I'm still in a position where I'm waiting it out, which is fine. It can go both directions. It can go both ways. With ease. So what do? I wait. You should too. Make your life much easier. Make your life risk-free. I'm just waiting, just like you are waiting, I'm waiting as well. I'm waiting for more structure to appear. Makes it quite boring though. But yeah, that's our life. That's our life. That SMT is kind of killing that short idea though. Too bad, but it is what it is. So with dollar kind of finding a bottom, take a look at your dollar charts. We found a 1 hour for value gap there. Let me show you. Not a random low to be created, right? So continuously watch dollar now. If we are able to find a bottom on dollar, what we do here is a lot more likable. So at the same time, buy side taken on both charts. SMT at the top twice now on 15-minute chart. When will that stick though? I'm still happy. I think Thomas, you asked about it, right? About this short. I'm still happy. Even though it delivered quite low, I'm still happy I didn't short it. Because look how out of sync everything is. So still have a little bit more of waiting to do. Website is coming on. I haven't touched it for a week now. Sadly. I'd love to spend more time on it, but I can't because I have a job to attend to. I have responsibilities there, sadly. Not sadly, it's good. I like the work itself. Working at the brokerage is cool. But yeah, it means I have stuff to do day in, day out. I have responsibilities that I have to take care of in a way, right? Who doesn't at the same time? Ignas, just find more time. Why wouldn't you? Man. We made an SMT with Nasdaq showing willingness to go lower for a third time. Shit loads of sell side resting below. A lot. 5200 is still juicy on ES. Keep that in mind. Okay? I'm not in a trade, so I'm showing you that chart. So, let's see now. This is a bullish PDRA. This is a bullish PDRA that we want the price to hold if the price decides to go high, right? That failing, easy, short. I like the possibilities of it going lower now. We built in some premium. We created an SMD. I asked kind of for more structure. I said, okay, we don't go short right away because the price delivered to the upside on ES. We went in, took a small loss, and now we wait because we want to see more. We want to be sure about the position we're gonna take. Yep. Dollar is trying to find that bottom, so I like this. This is cool because dollar is finding a bottom in that hourly fair value gap like that. This is cool. 15 minutes is looking cool as well with that inversion. 5. Let's do hourly. What do we have on hourly? Nothing. Okay. Boring. 5 minutes. Let's see. That 5-minute inversion might be a possibility for us later. And here, sell side taken. So I'm still waiting. We're 1 out of 2, still in profit today, so I'm gonna still continuously wait. Previous long gave you nice long. This one, but gave only IFVG entry. After that, it made nice pullback into a fair value gap. My question: why you don't go long from that fair value gap? Because the target is hit. This was my target. Why would I long if I already took a profit? Also, look at the range. We're trading in a premium. Why would you ever go long in a premium? You want to go long in a discount, which was here. We went long right here, right below discount. You want to go long here? This is not a good long. First rule of trading. Put it to your notes. Buy low, sell high. Do that, you're gonna be profitable again already. Simple. I'm not interested in buying when the price is already in a premium. That 5-minute fair value. Nope, not interested. Second thing, I want this to get inverted so we go short towards 5200. Double bottom. $950. 950. Which chart are we talking about? 950. No, 950. Here? Why did I go here? This one? Because it never gave an entry. Okay, maybe it tagged it, so let's see. 129. What's the low of this candle? I don't know. So you're asking why I didn't go long here? Because what kind of entry is this? Like, what is this entry? Name it. I don't know. It's not a trade. Do we trade SMTs? No, we don't. Zone dolphin. Ha! Exactly. No, there's no setup here. So I don't even know. Like, what is this? Is that an OTE? It is an OTE. Do we trade just an entry from OTE? No, we don't. Why? Because look at the stop loss. 22 handles. So I don't know. Like there's no entry here. Is there an entry here? Yes, there is. Watch this. For valid gap. Break of structure. Right here. YouTube 2022. Bam, you enter here. That's an entry. Here. YouTube 2022. Right here, and then that is just price going into a fair value gap. That's not a trade. Price goes into fair value gaps 24/7. That's what price does. It goes from fair value gap to fair value gap. Price coming to a fair value gap doesn't mean a trade. And I think the daily is gonna prevail, sadly. It's gonna be interesting to see where we close today, but all-time highs might be incoming. I don't like that, but it is what it is though. I don't like it at all because there's nothing happening in the world that indicates that the markets should be any stronger than what they are right now. Nothing at all. So let's see what we get now. Zone dolphin. Oh damn, missed a big trade. It's fine, guys. You're not missing anything. You're not missing anything. These things happen day in, day out, every single day, every single session, every single week. There's nothing to miss here, so don't put yourself in a position like you're missing out on something. You're not. Exactly the same will happen tomorrow. You're fine. It can just run. What I like is that the macro is starting in 10 minutes. So just like we had 10 minutes to 10 minutes to 11 is gonna start very soon. Tomorrow, Q&A, same time, stream time in Discord. Yes, Discord time. Let's vote. Let's make stuff happen in Discord. Let's vote. Let's vote, guys. Whatever you tell me to do, we're gonna do that. Okay? Where's the emoji too? Why can't what? I can't make a vote, sadly. Where's the numbers? What? Stickers, gifts. No, I don't need people. I need numbers, please. Number. Huh? One. Come on. 1, 2. There's no such thing. What the heck? 4. Huh? Shows me Japanese symbols. What the hell? Okay, let's do something random then. Okay, let's do fire here. And the last one. Go vote, please. Yep. Arnas, I know that your favorite trade is New York AM and New York PM. Does this change how you find other sessions working more than others on different quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4? Because recently London session is fire. I understand what you're saying. London, for me, so very good question, Arnas. Oh my god, this is good. This is what I need. Let's go. Sip of water, let's go. Why do I choose sessions like I made choices right now? And why I don't trade London? Because in London, you're making a guess whether the high or the low itself is a low of the day or a high of the day. When you trade London, you're not able to statistically find setups that prove you that you found a high or a low of the day. Meaning that when you trade London itself, you're kind of making a guess that, okay, the low that was just created and maybe an inversion happened afterwards, or YouTube 2022 happened afterwards. You're making a guess whether that was a low of the day, a low for the session, a low for the hour, and so on and so forth. You can't know for certain statistically that a low during London is a real low that is significant, sadly. So for me, everything we do in London, I trade London as well, but I don't, especially not, I trade only forex there, not indices. And I trade forex because of two things. In forex, there's a lot cleaner liquidity pools that you can use silver bullet to make entries with, right? Second thing is why I don't touch London is because everything here is fucking fake. Every single candle here is fake. Don't ask me why, think about it, but not a single candle here is real. Every single fucking candle right here is fake. So I don't trade fake things, like the market, not the market, the broker itself can do whatever it wants to over there. And I don't trade fake things because it's too risky. Because you can't judge what is gonna happen out there. Statistically though, 7 AM to 9 AM, which is London kill zone right here. 7 AM to 9 AM, I trade it sometimes. Because statistically, you can validate stuff happening here. You can see highs, lows for the day being created. And what you have to do is you literally just have to open up any kind of chart and just go through it. Put down a kill zone indicator, go to dollar index, whatever. Look when highs and lows of the day appear. London high. London AM session high. London high. New York high. New York low. London high. You see? 80% of highs and lows throughout the day happen during a session, whether it is London, whether it's an AM session, whether it is New York. Kind of try to trade with 4 sessions in mind. New York and London, New York, AM, PM, right? Not a SMT, no, not a real SMT, but London, New York, AM and PM. And then it depends on what kind of security you're looking to trade. For example, if you want to do indices perform the best on AM from 10 to 11. After 11, the price usually goes sideways a lot. It's not high probability anymore. In PM, all 2 hours are good. So for example, you always see me closing the stream at around 11 because everything that happens after 11 usually is very shitty. But in PM, the whole 2 hours usually are good. If the prerequisite of PM being a good trading session happens. So when is a PM session a good session? I'm making a pause. Think. When in PM is a good session to trade? PM session is good to trade when AM doesn't deliver its targets. So if this AM session would have been shit and we couldn't have traded it, I would be looking to trade PM. Now AM was great. PM, you're sitting that out. You're taking the rest of the day off after this finishes. You're not interested anymore. Yeah, this is good, man. But that's what I've done. I spent half a year looking for stuff like this. I spent half a year logging, okay, London, what happens throughout London? And I realized that shitty price action that happens during London. Very simple. I've just put the hours in, I've just put the work in, and now I know. Sounds quite simple, but it is. Those are good questions, Ernest, though. Those are good questions. And you see now the macro is coming. I literally said, I want to wait a little bit now. We waited. Was it a good decision to wait? Perfect decision, because look what is happening here. It's consolidation. We're not interested in consolidations. Like, now the macro is starting. Let's look for a position now. Simple. I'm making this very boring though. I'm on purpose making this very, very boring. Because I don't want to jump into a position that is bad position. So I'm just waiting it out, letting the price play around. Executing only when I know what the price is gonna do. Look at this. Could I have gone short here? Yes, we could have. Somebody probably did. Could I have gone short here? Yes, I could have. I didn't. Could I have gone long here on NQ? Yes, I could have, but I didn't. What it's gonna do? Here, I know. Oh my god. Here I know what the price is gonna do. Buy. I enter. I talked about 5218 at what? 7 a.m. this morning? 7:30 a.m. I talked about this, that it's gonna deliver today. Look for a position to get that done. Very, very simple, guys. Very simple. One trade, one kill. One shot, one kill, let's say. Kind of done for the day. Then I open another position. I risked half of what I made today. Easy. I'm still in profit. I took a loss, which is a good loss. 3 handles loss. I took a loss. Still in profit. I'm fine. I'm good. But you guys asking questions like you are, you're bringing so much value for yourself. Because you kind of see, the only things that I can talk about is either silly stories that I go through throughout my day, or just price delivering what it does, and kind of calling the price itself. But when you ask questions like that, the real value comes in. You're getting shitloads of value asking questions like that. That's good. I think it's good for you. This, and not for me, but this is an inversion setup. Not for me though. I'm gonna take it off, but just showing you around. Consolidation, bomb, pushed to the downside, new day opening gap, holding in the price. Fair value gap, not holding the price. Inversion, no entry though. Okay. I have a cleaning lady, so imagine what happened. A cleaning lady finally cleaned the room. This is good. So now decision making time. Buy side taken on ES. It wasn't taken on NQ. We're getting an inversion offered. 2.5 handle. So I'm gonna go short. But it was still not too much risk on ES. Because I want to see full on YouTube 2022 panning out. So this is gonna be a break of structure. And I want to see that break with a fair value gap, right? Full on trade happens here, YouTube 2022. Okay? Watch that. Right now I'm in a short though, because we literally inverted. Why do I like this inversion? There's no SMT, like when you look at this, there's no SMT, right? But there is. What kind of SMT? 15 minutes? Because this is the buy side that NQ was supposed to take away. It didn't. So I'm entering. I know that these trades will pan out more times than they won't. Very, very simple. Me knowing that allows me to enter its position. Am I gonna add to this? One contract, yes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for the whole, well, not one contract, one micro. I'm gonna wait for, what's the name for it? I'm gonna wait for, oh my god, I'm so stupid. I'm gonna wait for YouTube 2022 to pan out. So yeah, quite a simple setup, guys. But I want to see now. Now this is where I'm gonna be happy to put in a lot more risk if we break the structure, if we complete the YouTube 2020-22 entry possibility, right? That's what I want to see. Uh-huh. 15 minutes on it. You know, we didn't. Yeah, we didn't. We're still in there. Still have a few minutes to go. If we do invert it, then this becomes not valid. Also, this inversion becomes valid. Do I go long here? No, because we're in the premium. I'm not interested. in a premium, I'm only interested in going short. Very, very simple. It didn't invert, but it can push to the upside that I don't like. Or did it invert? Let's take a look. 15? It did not. I don't like this though. But this is why I'm not full into this trade. I'm not full force going this direction just yet. Right? I want this YouTube 2022 to pan out, to really go for this. This is gonna move me to break even for the day though. If the loss is booked. Okay? Inversion on NQ. So I'm just gonna take this off. Not interested. And we wait again. We're in the same waiting game now. We wait and wait and wait and wait. We're at break even. 1 win, 2 losses. We're fine. But guys, I think I won't continue reading this with you. It's gonna be good enough of a day for me. I'm gonna probably close it at break even. If I enter a trade, I'm gonna let you know in Discord. That's for sure. But yeah, it's getting late. I want to eat. I have a practice to attend today. Going to jiu-jitsu today. In what? In an hour. So I'm gonna have to do that. Regarding the market itself, hard to say. I'm still torn apart. Like, you can imagine, I'm still torn apart what I really want to see it do. Gun to the head, yes, buy side again and again and again, but Tuesday high of the week still holding in on NQ, yes, showing an SMT. So now the situation is going to be very simple. As long as this SMT is in place, the markets can go lower. As soon as NQ goes in sync with ES taking off buy sides, then we're in a territory where sell side is not valid anymore. Okay? So hearing this, knowing that, keeping that in mind, I'm gonna wish you a safe rest of the day. Good luck, good trading. I very much hope you find this insightful, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I love the stream so far. Very good questions coming in from you guys. So I very much enjoyed going at them with you. So hope you liked what we do here. I'm gonna see you in Discord. I'm gonna still stay active for another hour out there, and we're gonna see each other in the Q&A tomorrow. No stream on YouTube tomorrow, but we're gonna do it on Discord, and then we're gonna talk, and we're gonna talk bunches. So thank you for showing up today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.